shit, man.
Come on, people up, keep your hands up, say hell yeah. Say hell yeah. True to the roots, that's how I choose to remain, and I just can't change and I won't change.
20-gram Pikaso, live out here, you know what I'm saying? Never did in life, you know what I'm saying? You know, I'm at this fucking, we at Summer Stage in Maffew, Roseboro, you know what I'm saying? Politics, I ain't on the stage. That's okay. Everybody, you know? How you feel about that? I mean, I feel kind of, I don't know, I feel away a little bit because this is my hood, like, you know what I'm saying? And I feel like I'm coming up and niggas fucking with my shit hard body, you know what I'm saying? That goes in, you know what I mean? Niggas fucking with it. It is what it is, but at the end of the day, you know, it's the next venue at the spot. Slumdog joint with Ragazino and shit. Just dropped that Wham video today, you know what I'm saying? Catch it on Sour D, catch it on Flow Hip Hop, you know what I'm saying? All that. About to come with this magnificent joint next, fucking with the Sour Boys, you know what I'm saying? But no, stay tuned, man. Show the night.
Damn high, God. Slump Lord. The rent is too damn high, God. Slump Lord. The rent is too damn high, God. Slump Lord. Play that shit. When I get 20 grams of Pikaso, okay, I'm fucking with y'all. Trust my 5 jigs, no seriously zig. Fresh baked clams in the side of that rock shit. Like this last supper, that Billy's down and went up my name. So they crucify me and pierce the thorns around my head. Look what the fuck did I do? In 1 year's time, I was on the shore, now the dog gets paid to run. Chef and Jimmy McMillan, refer to me as senior or simply say DJ Tuesday. What the fuck the law? The rent is too damn high, dog. Slow low. Staying humble, my nigga, we're doing numbers. I'm doing crunches and dips, pull-ups and lunches. Whole weeks of bottle with avocado and hummus. Peter falafel, tomatoes, lettuce, and onions. Middle Eastern lunches. I'm a slump dog. Dragging my nuts in these streets. You niggas tough, dog. The rent is too damn high, dog. Slum Lord. The rent is too damn high, dog. Slum Lord. The rent is too damn high, dog. Slum Lord. The rent is too damn high, dog. Slum Lord. Slum Lord. Say Slum Lord. Slum Lord. Say Slum Lord. Slum Lord. Cut that mother. Hey yo, the smoke hits my lungs. The ink drops on the phone. The ink drops in the bag. I wrote this nigga focused on the strong. We ain't no snoaches, ain't no coaches where I'm from. Only strong players. These shots fly, niggas die. No such thing as the wrong leader. It's caviar for breakfast. I say right through the clear screen, Cartier projected. I'm so fly that I'm hardly here to even effort. I do this with no effort. Violate me, that's my tweet. Stuck in your throat like food with no beverage. Niggas feeling salty like food with no pepper. Welcome to the movies that you is no extra. Big in the coochies for the flow. These dudes, they know better. No shiny suit, this dude is no better. Play superhero, be Uzi, come catch up. That Audi A5 and I'm cruising. Slum Lord. The rent is too damn high, God. Slum Lord. The rent is too damn high, God. Slum Lord. The rent is too damn high, God. Slum Lord. Slum Lord. Say Slum Lord. Slum Lord. Say Slum Lord. Slum Lord. Shut up, my motherfucker, cause it's flash. Surviving a lot of shit. My mind stays together. Been on in that kitchen. Billy Holland Pacific. What up? It's no distance. Who trying to dance with me? That metal kettles get that double hand block. I'm from the filthy, broke down pissy. Nothing but homicide, do anything for us. Brownsville, over that slow roll shit. When they go broad on the drum roll shit. Don't look surprised, fuckers. The game is a wild thing, a lot of suckers. And WA words to my brain is adding suckers. But I'm so in wild, words to my destruction. Cry me in all of our days and dark. Animals, feed over anything, see razor sharp. My enemies necessary like a slum lord. The way too high, God. Slum Lord.
Man, ain't
nothing wrong with smoking weed. Weed is from the earth. God put this here for me and you. Take advantage, man. Take advantage.
I'm in love with man.